That's so cute.
So this one is a print of the original.
Yeah.
So the original has sold, but the print is $389.
And we have a view. Look at the view. Oh, it's so nice. See my movie din dito for the kids at 7 p.m. Right now it's 6.
Where do we put?
Yung pancakes ko with pistachio and nice view, but the weather is on and off. Found another dress, guys. It's really nice. This is $100. This one is so long. Oy, Dong, let's go na, Dong. Look at this, guys. My lomot. Hi, guys. Nag-long driving kami kasi pupunta kami sa Nelson Bay for the weekend. And we will stay in Windham Shoal Bay, which is really close to Nelson Bay. Look at the cows.
Yeah, beef cows.
Beef cows. Not what?
Not dairy.
Not there. How do you know?
You can tell by how they look.
1 minute to go.
I wish we got
and
fishing gear.
we're in Windham.
I can buy fishing if I have to. We used to be able to turn right into
There, Ramada. There.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Shoal Bay Country
Yeah.
Club.
Yeah.
Okay, turn right. Be careful. Hey na guys, in Windham Shoal Bay. And look at the reception. Oh, Club Windham.
There's also biscuits.
Nice. Our car is right outside. Welcome. Welcome. Food.
Registration? Have you already got? Just your registration.
Look at their snake plants. Very healthy. That's my drink. Apple sparkling.
I left work at 2.
Thank you.
Yeah, but when did you get out earlier?
That's for you, Jace. Thank you.
So you got a diving movie. Okay.
Now guys, heading to our room. Towards our room. Ayan pala. Ito na siya.
Hold it open.
Last time we had 2 bedrooms. But this one we have a veranda and we have a view. Look at the view. Oh, it's so nice. We'll go swimming there and we have the veranda. Oh, nice. We're in 8th floor. Nice, no? Wow. So we have both mountain and the bay or the beach view. Nice room. So the veranda is accessible through here. Oh, guys. Naman itong fridge. It's high. Tingnan natin kung may milk for Jace. Ayan. See, Jace, there are 2 little milk. Tetra. Oh, ouch. Mag-grocery pa kami, guys, for our breakfast. Although meron kaming atinan na members event tomorrow dito sa Windham. So, free na rin yung breakfast. And they will give us vouchers too. Para lang maingganyo kaming bumili ng more membership. Pero okay na yung membership points namin. So okay na yan. Hello from Shoal Bay.
Conversation time has elapsed.
We're going to
It must have been a little kid.
grocery
Yeah.
right
I
now.
remember
And then
when
have
I was little,
dinner.
I used to get
Dito kami sa IGA, guys, which is really next door. For me there.
Oh, sorry, almond?
Just get the soy.
The white?
Then here, yeah, then we get that.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. So, nakapag-grocery na kami, guys. And ito na yung aming cereal for tomorrow. Or maybe Sunday. Kasi it's Friday night. We're here, it's almost 7. Mag-sunset na siya. And so we're here Friday night and Saturday night. Uuwi kami balik on Sunday after lunch. And so ito, bukas may breakfast kami sa downstairs sa Wyndham event. So yung cookies ni Jace. Let's check their bathroom. Their bathroom has a little jacuzzi. Sayang hindi dinala ni Jace yung bath bombs niya. Punta tayo sa veranda, guys. Yung veranda. Swimming tank kami bukas doon with Jace. Yung swimming pool and then the beach. Let's go here. Mag-sunset. Ito yung room ko. So dito tayo. Move over lang. Dito tayo mag-wine tomorrow. And this is the main bedroom. Hanap kami ng makainan, guys. Ito yung restaurant sa baba ng resort. Doon kami, kumain kami dyan dati. Ramada. Pero hindi namin type yung food, so naghanap pa kami ng iba. Pero nandito lang sa area without going to the town. So blue, the sky. Yan yung mountain sa harap ng aming veranda. Ito yung mga itsura sa mga gutom. Nag-shop kanina sa IGA ng groceries. May pizzeria dito, guys. Ito yung Thai mix. Gusto ni Jace mag-pizza daw. Guys, nandito kami sa Thai restaurant kasi gusto ni Jace yung noodles. Hokkien noodles. Nandito na yung order. This is barramundi and prawn in oyster sauce. Is that oyster sauce? And that's seafood laksa for the hubs. And naghintay pa kami yung para kay Jace.
That's one.
Did you want 2 pairs?
Ito na yung kay
do you want-
Jace.
no, no,
And
I'm
that's a
using it.
coconut rice. Yum. That's it. The coconut rice is a bit sweet. Hey guys, it's our second day in Shoal Bay. And now we're heading to Nelson Bay para mag-lunch kami. So that's Nelson Bay. Look at the huge beach. Is that a beach?
No, that's a dock. There's no beach.
Okay.
Beach is way over there on the other side.
Okay. So, but we are entering the shopping area, shopping district of Nelson Bay. That's the marina area. We had a dinner there last time. So ito na yung main district nila. So we had food there as well before. You know this one? Was that the Japanese?
Yeah.
This here, we had it before there. Maghanap kami ng parking para magkakain na kami. O, ito yung pinaka busy nila na road. Maganda to. Dito. The bin chicken, he's hungry like you. Look, he's looking for food. Ito na yung end ng street na to. Di pa rin kami nakahanap ng parking. Ayan, liko na lang dito. Alright, one here. Oh, I want to go to that shop. Oh, Christmas. Christmas cars. Naghanap pa rin kami ng makainan. So this is another cafe. Kasi yung home interior, may cafe pala doon. And then that's another cafe and Indian restaurant. So, ayun, Indian lahat pala. Oh, ito Chinese ito eh, Hawker Inn. Ito yung nakita ko dati. Yun, ang daming graffiti sa walls. Parang interesting. Okay, this is the other street. Ito yung mayroong bougainvillea. Another cafe there. Yan yung flower na ano parang cave. Sorry, cove. Dito ako nagpicture dati, yung graffiti. So, bumalik kami. Ito pala yung mga bougainvillea. Pero it's not real. I thought it was real. Kaya pala hindi namamatay yung mga flowers kasi ganito na rin to last year. So we're in Sienna Cafe, guys.
Yeah, we do have done.
So we're in Sienna Cafe. It's an Italian. Parang kami lang yata nandito eh. So it's 12:30 already. Ito pa yung breakfast namin. So we're waiting for our orders. Katabi lang siya ng bougainvillea. Diyan. And in front are the shops. Jace wants to go to Lolly Bug. Tingnan natin. Yung pancakes ko with pistachio and big breaky. Alright, let's eat.
Yes, Jason. One. Jason, get off your finger. Thank you.
We are in a op shop kasi may nakita akong cute dito. So, he got that already. That's so cute. Maghanap pa ako, guys, kasi gusto ko itong mga ganito. Tapos mura lang dito eh. Pang souvenir lang na galing ako dito. Look at that blue bottles. That's so cute. I actually like this one. This one. Parang ano siya, cover ng muffin. Marami pa doon. Oh. Yeah, okay. I'll go there. That's what he found. Happy Father's Day. Which one is you like more?
Taking both.
How much each? 3 each. $3 each. In Lolly Bug. Jace wants to buy. This one ako pushin. Chocolate. I'll get that one. Actually nice here. It's like Candyland. And we're looking for dark chocolate with nuts. Ano ba lang? Tootsie Roll.
They have like an old.
Babalik na kami sa Shoal Bay kasi tapos na yung lunch and a little bit of shopping. Yan yung marina area dito sa Nelson Bay. So, nakapag-shopping na kami at nakakain na kami ng lunch. Maganda yung Marina Bay, guys. Ganda, no? We are back in our room at pagkainin ko muna si Jace ng noodles kasi hindi siya kumain doon. Ano lang, one piece of toast lang. But I'm gonna show you what we have bought. Ito yung Wallis. Ito yung pinaka gusto ko na juice. This is only $5. And I got this. I love this one. Dark roasted crunchy peanut butter. This is my most favorite kind of banana. Yung sugar banana. And yeah, and ito na. Yung kay Jace na fruit. Apple juice. At yun lang. Mga later na yung iba. So, ipakita ko to anong nandyan. Okay, so actually we went to the Lollybug because of these guys. Bigay ito ng Wyndham as a token. Yung kahapon
But it
yung
was like-
with the champagne. Or actually it was it there or it was waiting here?
It was waiting here.
It's here in the room when we got here.
There's a Lollybug
Yeah.
in Troll Bay, but we bought from Nelson Bay.
Ah, okay,
Maybe-
so
Maybe after I have my lunch, I'll get ice cream from.
the Lollybug here
Yeah.
in Shoal Bay.
Because
Kasi dito, we
there's
got it from
there was
Nelson
no ice
Bay.
cream in Nelson Bay.
So this one is the Oreo cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream, yeah.
Cookies and cream for Jace, and ito for the boys because they like M&M's
M&M
crispy.
thing.
Yeah, na spread. Okay, so this is what's the name of the op shop?
Lifeline.
Lifeline.
It's like a shop from
Yeah.
Lifeline.
Yung dalawa for hubby. Yung Angel. I don't want to open it because it's
For that.
yeah. But I showed it to you earlier. But this one I haven't. So this is for me. So I like this one. Kasi may ako sa figurine, di ba? Oh, di ba ang cute? Super ibang color yung head. It's only $10, guys. What's the other one? What's this one? Ah, this is Nelson Bay souvenir. Yeah. Right,
But
that's
ours
it.
from a
That's our
different
first day here. This one.
So this one is a print of the original.
Yeah.
So the original has sold, but the print is 389.
And this one,
it's an
300.
A2 sizing. Yeah, this is the same kind of sizing as the other little one we had down the back there. 369, yeah.
Okay. Ito, gusto ko to tingnan dito. Kasi I bought a dress here before last year. Isuot ko bukas. Okay. How much is this?
It's so pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it's here. So 80. Yeah, the size 8. Remember I bought a dress here last year?
Here's your stink.
My, okay, wait a sec. Hold it, please. Nice.
Wipe your face.
Found another dress, guys. It's really nice. This is $100. This one is so long. This is in a different shop. Wow. This is 120. Look at this one. Nice, no? Wala yan siyang yung version ng aking dress. Green version. 120. 115. This is nice. 60. Is pupunta kami dito. Kasi wala si Habi. Pag nandito si Habi, ay ayaw niya. Had to touch a bit of the sand. I can hear. Yes! Oh! Guys, nandito kami. Habi. This is their little beach in front of the shops. Malapit sa window. Tingnan nyo yung shoes ko. Yung sneakers ko basa. Kasi I try to do like this. Oh. Yung bata, nabasa yung shoes niya. Kasi, ano, ginagaya ako. But we have to go. We're going to the spa now. Let's go, Jace. Bye. Ay. Nice. Oh.
Mom,
Yeah.
so it's okay if I drop my phone.
Sarap dito guys, magtambay. So bumili kami nito ni Jay sa IGA para magkapag-relax before the spa. And my green tea. Sarap talaga dito. So airy and windy. Yeah, it's a good choice. Although libre talaga kami dito kasi we are shareholders. Timeshare owners of Wyndham. So 20 years na kami dito sa Wyndham na timeshare holders. And this is our second time here. We are heading to the spa area and look at this large chest. Ito na tayo kasi may movie din dito for the kids at 7 p.m. Right now it's 6.
Where do we put these? Mom.
Wait na si Jace. Masaya na siya. Tapos may lights pa dito. Oh. May pa-lights. Oh. Diba? Dito na si Jace. Come on. Gara lagi niya siya. Gara. Alam niyo yung gara guys. Sa Bisaya. Look at Jace. He looks like hunchback. He's a hunchback. So cute. So we're on the other side. Doon yung kanina sa kabila. Hala, look at Jace. Hala, it's gonna blow up. Let's start na yung movie, guys. Jace is already in the pool. Na siya. We're going na. Enjoy siya. Ang lamig na ka eh. Uwi na kami, guys. So, yung pool is there. And this is the outdoor pool. Maganda, no? Okay, Jace had a fun time. Did you have a good time? Okay, that's good. Oh, si Jace ay matulog na. He's sleeping soon. I'm gonna show the view at night. This is the view at night. Oh, they're so noisy. Ano bang ginagawa nila? So dark. The hinterland. Yan yung room ko. Tas, dito kami sa beach, guys. Kasi uwi na kami later. We'll just have a little bit of a walk. Pero naka-shoes naman yung si Habi. Finally, may mga pigeon. Are they pigeon? They're seagulls. Oh, seagulls, sorry. Hi, cute! Just so cute. Dong, let's go na dong. Look at this, guys. May lomot. Oh my gosh. Just come on before you will. Come on, anak.
What?
See, I told you.
What?
We'll come back here when it's not cold. Come.
No.
We're washing our feet. We had a dinner there at Montay. First night here. It's 10:30 and we're packing up. May mga shower station dito, guys, next to the beach. Anywhere in this area. Uwi na tayo. Yun na yung dalawa. Nice view, but the weather is on and off. Pero uuwi na kami guys. Kaya lang nagpicture ako dito ulit. Nice yung video. Nice yung hinterland, no? We got everything sorted and packed. Now the sun is out. How does that happen? Aalis na kami, saka pa lumabas yung sun. Oh, di ba ang ganda niya? Pag mainit, ganda na siya. Uwi na kami guys. Ito na yung suot ko. Bye. Shoal Bay. Look at this rock. Oh, look, that's big rock. Look at that. We're in North Onyx Tunnel.